Hi guys, today I will be showing you my slime room, but before we get started, just remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and if you would like to purchase slime, I have a shop. You can visit at www.SlimeEnvy.com. All of this information will be in the description below. I also give away one free slime each month. To enter, all you have to do is go to my Instagram and follow the rules there. Starting over here, this is where I keep all of my foam beads. Some of them are in bags and some of them are in some bigger containers. Foam beads are a mess and I hate them so much, and they take up so much space, so I just put them over here. And then below that I have my 4-ounce and some 3-ounce containers. And this container, this big blue thing, is from Target. I got it when it was on sale for about $8, and that's a button. The next couple drawers are actually 3 separate drawers that I just stacked on top of the other, and I think they're all from Target. Then moving up to here, this is just where I keep all of my scents. I currently have almost 60. Then in the next drawer right under that is just where I keep all of my glitters. I have a bunch of glitters. I have some bigger ones from Michaels and Hobby Lobby. I have some pigments. I have some glitter shakers in the back. Then under that is just where I keep all of my personal slimes. Most of these have been in the shop before, and some of them haven't. Some of them are from videos, or I'm experimenting with them now, and I might bring them to the shop. Most of them are pretty new. There's a couple old ones in there from a long time ago, but after a while I usually just throw them out or give them to my sisters, so most of them are pretty new. Then right here I have all of the slimes that I have bought from famous slime shops. I can't give too much away because I'm doing a YouTube video on that pretty soon, but that's all the packaging and all the extras, and stay tuned. Under that is just where I keep all of my slime supplies other than glue and activator. In the back I have some stuff that I don't use very often, shaving cream, which I don't use in any of my shop slimes, just in videos. I have some clay, some beads, lotion, cornstarch, just a bunch of stuff. And right below that I have all of my secret stuff that I use for making my cloud creams and cloud doughs, so I can't show you that. Up here is just where I keep all of my white glue gallons. They were $4 at Walmart, so I bought all they had. And then right here I just have my borax. I have a gallon of it at all times. Then moving down here I have a bunch of putties, and those are going to be in a video pretty soon. Those are from Target and they were like $1 each, which is really good. So if you want some good putties, get them from Target. And then I just have some random stuff back there. And then right below that is just where I keep all of my food coloring. And then in the drawer below that I have all of my fake sprinkles made out of clay and some nail stuff that I can put inside. And then over here I just have all of my bowls. The one with the lid on it is from Walmart, which is very handy, and then the bottom 3 are all from the dollar store. Right here I just keep all of my 6-ounce containers. And then next to that I have some 8-ounce containers and some 2.3-ounce containers. Next to that is where I keep all of my candy for all my extra bags. Most of my orders come with just a bunch of candy, and if you are a repeat or a very large order, it will come with more stuff such as squishies or slime or other fun stuff like that. Then right down here I just keep some of my extra foam beads that wouldn't fit with the other ones, and some more 8-ounce containers. And then back there I have some slimes that have been sent in reviews or trades. Over here is just where I have all of my charms, and I have a big thing of borax, and then in there I have all of my squishies that I give for some of my extras. And then I have some fake spoons and forks that I give in some slime orders for specific slimes. Then right down here I just have my colored paper, and I have a tripod and some other things I like to use for taking pictures and videos. And then over here I just have some empty containers and some more just white foam beads. Over here I have all of my clear glue, and I make all of my slime over here. So I have my mixer over here as well as all of my big batches. And then right under that I just have all of my packing supplies that I use for packing all of my orders. Over here is where I record all of my videos. I have my tripod, and that's from Amazon, and then my white background that is also from Amazon, and my marble slab. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know and I can make more content like this. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. Everything is linked in the description below. And if you'd like to purchase slime, you can visit my website. Thanks for watching!